Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to enable the new tab icon on Google Chrome. If you're looking to customize your browsing experience, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, open your Chrome browser. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you have it up and running. Next, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of your browser window. This is known as the Chrome menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Now, scroll down and click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust a variety of settings to enhance your browsing experience. Once you're in the Settings menu, locate the Toolbar shortcut option. You might need to scroll down a bit or use the search bar at the top of the Settings page to find it quickly. Click on it to proceed. Here comes the exciting part. In the Toolbar shortcut settings, you will see an option labeled New Tab. Select this option to enable the New Tab icon on your toolbar. This will allow you quick access to open new tabs without having to navigate through menus. After selecting New Tab, make sure to save your changes if prompted. Now, you should see the New Tab icon appear on your toolbar, making it easier than ever to open new tabs while browsing. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the New Tab icon on Google Chrome. Enjoy your enhanced browsing experience with this handy shortcut at your fingertips. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.